very difficult balance. Merong mga naapektuhan dito sa ginagawang sipag ng mga nila. Merong malaking sektor na nakikiyabang. Dahil hindi sila naabala sa trabaho nila, hindi sila napiperwisyo ng pag-aari ng gobyerno. So, really, it's a difficult balance. Perhaps what the local government officials or units should do is that take care of those who are going to be affected or are being affected. Hindi na lang, pero pinapatupad ng mga mayor yung tamang lugar. Why should we contradict them?